Welcome to the Marketing Analytics course. This is Baba Gnanakumar from School of Management, Kristu Jayanti College. So in this presentation, we are going to have a little introduction about the marketing analytics. So before going to the marketing analytics, let us see the main purpose of marketing. The main purpose of marketing is to achieve the SMART. That means specific, very important thing. Whatever we are doing in marketing, it should be very, very specific. And M refers to the measurable. Even in case of customer perception, we are able to measure. Then A refers to the attainable, whether we are able to attainable or attain the customer perception. Then R refers to the relevant, whether it is relevant in the present situation. Finally, whether it is time-based. That is the present marketing objective. How to achieve this type of marketing objective? That is why to achieve the SMART goal of marketing, we need marketing analytics. So what is marketing analytics? It is simply the processing of data and converting to information which can be used by the marketers. That is the simple thing. But marketing analytics is different from marketing research or marketing analysis. Analysis, we will do the calculations and comes to a conclusion. But analytics is the next part of the analysis. That is why in case of marketing analytics, we used to call that the practice of measuring an event, managing an event, analyzing the performance, and even how we are going to maximize the effectiveness of the marketing program to achieve the return on investment. Simply speaking, if you wish to achieve the return on investment, what we have to do? What are all the different ways we can do? In marketing analytics, we are going to see all these things. It starts from traditional 4 P's of marketing and ends with even customer analytics, that is customer engagement and customer relationship management. That is the present stage of marketing analytics. What are all the components of this marketing analytics? You can see the marketing analytics starts when marketing analysis comes to an end. So first one is the reporting of intelligence. How we are going to report the intelligence report. That is, the marketing research output is the information. Once again, in analytics, we use to process the information and getting the customer insight or intelligence report, which means that what type of decision we are able to take, a decision making system. It should support the DSS of the entire management channel. Then it used to give importance for the 4 P's of marketing. What type of product strategy we can use, which product we can deliver to the customer, what are all the changes required for the product. Coming to the pricing, what will be the pricing strategy? If you use this pricing strategy, what will be the effect? Say for example, if you are going for penetration pricing, what will be the price of the product? Whether our penetration product pricing will penetrate actually the product. So that is the pricing strategies decision. Likewise, promotion. How to promote, which type of word liked by the customers, how we can attract the customers, which type of methodology we can use. All these things comes under the promotion of the product. It is all focused on the customer. Finally, if we are able to achieve all the 4 P's, that is place, product, price, promotion and place. how far it is going to contribute to the ROI, that is return on investment. So these are all the components of the marketing analytics. Same thing like marketing. So in marketing analytics, it is rounding off the entire customers. So we used to say that customer analytics. Then if you want to do the customer analytics, what are all the methodology we have to do? What are all the technical tools we can use? Say for example, we are using one concept and tool called KNN algorithm, as well as the neighborhood analytics, whether the customer will buy or not buy. To take such type of decision, we need some data. We have to train the data and we will input. Based upon the training of the data, the output will come. That is neighborhood analytics. These are all some of the examples of the marketing analytics. So here the analytics is focused on not only the entire concept, sales, how to project the sales, how to predict the sales, what type of marketing strategy we can use, and how we are going to measure that one, what type of product will move. If it is not moving, what are all the rectification we have to do in this product. That is all coming under the marketing analytics. So what are the decisions we are taking from the marketing analytics? There are different types of decisions, starting from the producting, pricing, place, promotion, all the 4 P's. But all these things are centered around the customers. First, we have to find out who is the customer, whether the customer is said to be a potential customer, whether the customer we are able to convert into an influencer. If we are able to convert our customer into an influencer, how many persons he will influence? So it starts from the simple customer satisfaction strategy to customer engagement system. So all this process is coming under that one. Very simple example in case of the departmental stores. They are getting the information from the point of sales terminal. If a customer is entering into the departmental store, they clearly find out whether the customer will buy or not. Using the image processing software, it will take the image and it will compare with the previous image. Previously, when he entered into the store, what are all the product he purchased? So immediately, with the help of image processing, it will clearly identify whether the customer will buy this type of products or which type of product. They are installing the eye camera, everything. The algorithms are uploaded in the form of artificial intelligence so that the customer will clearly noticed by the marketer, and the customer preference will be measured by the marketing team. That is the advantage of marketing analytics. Usually in case of digital marketing, there are a number of practices we are using, because in digital marketing, since we are sitting in front of the system, it is very easy to measure. Based upon the different techniques available in digital marketing, we can easily measure. It starts from the advertising, online advertising, what is the customer funnel, whether he is a customer, how we can convert the customer into a potential customer, then potential customer into a lead. Once we converted, how to retain our customers, how we can engage the customer, what type of customer lifetime value we have to give. All these things are possible very quickly in digital marketing. Of course, in offline marketing also we are able to do, provided we need hardware devices to connect and to take decision. That is the advantage of digital marketing analytics, of marketing analytics. So simply speaking, what is marketing analytics? After having this discussion, simply we are gathering the data, that is either from point of sales terminal or from the image we are gathering the data. Once we gather the data, we used to create a model. what the customer is doing, how he will change his mindset. Then immediately the real-time report will be generated. Once the real-time report is generated, the customer buying process is converted into a story. So we know clearly how the story begins, how the story ends. So the customer entire life will be measured in case of marketing analytics. That is the core aim of marketing analytics. So simple conclusion for marketing analytics is it is going to process the output of marketing research and it enables to take decision starting from the customer and ends with the product. Then, based upon this intelligence information, the marketing department is able to take decision to achieve the return on investments. That is the final goal of marketing analytics. We will discuss the different technique used in marketing analytics in the next class. Thank you.